Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Well, we all want to speak English fluently and confidently. We all have this dream of speaking fluent English or getting into an MNC or going abroad for studies or visiting places, settling abroad, getting into a good profile and a designation, etc., which needs good spoken English or good communication skills. Right? And that is why we dream of learning to speak English fluently and confidently just to achieve these positions or fulfill our dreams of being successful in life or achieving our goals in life. Right? But in spite of having this big dream and working on it, trying to achieve it, many of us fail to achieve our goals. Many of us are not able to achieve our goals. Or some people take a lot of time to achieve their goals. I'm talking about the main thing, which is to speak English fluently and confidently. We are stuck in between somewhere. We are not able to speak very confidently or very fluently, or sometimes we have a mother tongue influence, or there's something or the other reasons which don't allow us to reach our goals or to fulfill our dreams or to become successful in life. Why does this happen? What is that which is holding us behind? Why we are not able to fulfill our dreams of getting into such positions which require fluent and confident English speaking skills or good communication skills or flawless communication skills? Why? We have that desire, we want to achieve it, we work hard to do it, but why we are not able to achieve it? What is the reason? And in this video, I'm going to give you the answer and you will be able to relate to it for sure. On that note, guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, guys, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's get back to the topic. This is a very interesting topic, guys. We all have this dream of speaking fluent English just because we want to be successful in life. We want to get into a good MNC, or we want to be client facing, we want to be at higher positions of designation, or we want to study abroad, or we want to work abroad, settle abroad, etc. But at the end of the day, we are not very fluent in English, and slowly our dreams start vanishing. Our dreams start becoming very difficult to achieve, right? Why this happens? In spite of every other factor which is favorable for us, we are striving hard, we are working hard on it, we want to do it, we are dedicated, but still what is that which is going wrong with us, which is not helping us to achieve our goals or our dreams or to fulfill our dreams? I'm going to tell you. So the first and the foremost thing is we all are dedicated, right? We dream big. We want to be successful in life. Everybody wants to be successful in life. The first thing is probably the person don't understand the importance of good communication skills, or they don't understand what is good communication and what is fluency. Okay, we feel that speaking in an American accent or a British accent or any other foreign accent is good communication or is fluency. And what we do is we start copying them. We start trying to become like them. We start trying to practice in that way, which will not help you guys. You won't be able to sustain, trust me on this. Okay, so this is the first thing we have to take out from our minds, that fluency is accent or good communication skills are having a good accent or a British accent or a foreign accent or an American accent. No. Fluency and good communication skills means if you're able to express your ideas, your thoughts in a proper way and the best way possible, and the other person who is listening to you is able to understand it very easily, is good communication skills or fluency, right? Fluency doesn't mean you have to keep on speaking without a pause. No, that is not fluency, right? Fluency means you can speak in English, you don't forget words, you don't forget sentences, you don't forget your ideas. Okay, and you speak in a very smooth way. You can take a pause, you can recall things, but then you can continue in a proper way. So speaking properly or in a better way or with good sentences and words is called fluency. Okay, it has nothing to do with any accent or it has nothing to do with speaking without a pause. Okay, it's just that yes, you should not forget words, you should not forget sentences, you should not forget ideas. Okay, you can be nervous, you can forget words, but you can take a small pause and you can just recall everything and then you can start speaking about it. You don't have to show it that you have forgotten and you are not able to recall it. That is not fluency. Okay, so if you're able to take a short pause, you're able to recall it, and then you can start continuing your sentences, is absolutely fine. Okay, and your statements, your sentences has to be very clear, crystal clear, so that the other person is able to understand your ideas well. It's just that. It's a two-way communication. Like whatever you're communicating, the other person is understanding you very well, and whatever he or she is communicating, you are able to understand it very well. This is what good communication skills are or fluency is about. Nothing more, nothing less than that. Okay, so don't go behind the accent thing. Okay, whatever accent you have, try to polish it. Try to work on your pronunciation, try to work on your intonation and speeches and everything else. Practice shadowing. That is the best way to practice English speaking. Whichever accent you're able to follow, Indian accent I'm trying to talk about, whatever accent you're able to follow the Indian accent, you can just pick up that video and start shadowing with that person. I have a lot of videos available. You can start practicing shadowing with that. Right, which will help you in intonation, pronunciation, and a lot many ways. Okay, this is the first thing. Don't go behind the accent thing. That is not going to help you. It looks very fake. Trust me on this. And during interviews, if you start using your accent, it gives a very negative impression. Okay, so this is the first thing. Second thing is, in spite we have all the determination, we want to work for it, we want to achieve it, we want to dedicate our time, we are giving money also, everything, but we are not getting results. Why? It's just because we are not following the right process. Following the right process is very important. I always tell you guys, you come up with a study routine or a study plan and start coming up with activities which are actually helping you in achieving your target or achieving your goals of speaking fluent and confident English, right? So there are lots of hundreds and thousands of activities which people tell you to do, but it's not necessary that every single activity is going to help you. So you have to try everything, see if you are able to get results out of it. If it is not helping you, if you're not interested in doing that, stop it immediately. Try looking for activities or practice sessions which is actually helping you and keeping you interested in doing that. So your interest should be there. You should be willing to do that. Right? If you're not willing to do that, if you're just taking it as you have to do it and you should do it, doesn't work, right? If you're interested in doing something, then only do it. That is what is going to help you. This is a language, right? It is not something which, You have been given a task, you have to complete it and it is and done. This is not like that. It is a journey. You have it. It might be a long journey. It might be a short journey. You don't know. So that is why your interest or your focus has to be in it the whole time. The time you lose focus, the time you lose interest, it is not going to work for you. You will lose out on things. So that is why. See what activities, what practice sessions is helping you. Come up with a study routine which is actually helping you. Change it every week. Change it every month, whatever you feel like. But stick to your routine. Come up with activities which are really interesting, which are really helping you, or which can help you to achieve fluency and confidence in no time. Okay, and there are a lot of activities, tips, tricks, techniques I have spoken about in many videos, which is actually helped people in my sessions. Try doing that, try using that, and it is definitely going to help you as well. Take it from me. So this is another thing you need to analyze. You have to see what is helping you. You have the intention, you have the will, you want to do it, you want to dedicate your time, you want to dedicate your money, everything, but you don't know why it is not giving results, why it is not helping you. It's just that you're not following the right process. Change your process. See, it's going to help you. And it's not a rocket science, guys. It's very easy. There are lots of things you can start doing which is actually going to help you. So very small things. The whole day you do a lot of things. Start speaking about it in English. Try at least. I understand you're not able to make proper sentences, but try at least. This is a ball, this is a bat, this is a sofa, this is a television. You won't be able to come up with this sentence? Try using basic sentences, small sentences, right? Get to know the vocabulary. See what everything is called in English. The fruits, the vegetables, the items in your house. Outside, if you see anything, see what it is called. You are on a road. You are in a car. You can describe that. I am in the car. I am going for shopping. I am going to eat something. These are very basic, simple sentences, guys. If you're not able to make this sentence, try taking help from AIs, the chatbots, right? It is going to help you. These are very basic sentences you will be able to make at least. Because you have studied English in your school, right? So these basic sentences you will definitely be able to make. Else try to use ChatGPT. Try to use any other AI which is available in your phone, right? Microsoft has Copilot. Very interesting. I love it. Gemini. Very interesting. Very helpful. Use these things, guys. Come on. And you will get to know how easy it is for you to start practicing English speaking. Okay. Now, the next and the very important thing is we try to do every single thing, and in doing so, we are trapped. We don't get the outcome. What we do is we start reading books, we start writing, we start practicing, we start learning grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation. Every single thing we start doing every day. That is not gonna help you, guys. You have to focus on one thing at a time, right? Reading is good. Of course, you have to read every single day, but be focused. It should not be like, I don't have time. I have to do a lot of other activities, other things also. I can't give half an hour to reading or 15-20 minutes to reading. No. Whenever you are giving time to reading, 15-20 minutes also, you have to focus on reading. What it will do is, it will help you to understand the sentence structure, guys. You will be able to understand the sentence structure. Trust me on this. You can take that sentence as a reference and try making new sentences out of it. I emphasize on this every single day. Whichever session I take, I come up with like speak with me, repeat after me, or shadowing practice. I always tell you, you can take my sentence as a reference and you can come up with new sentences in English. And it is very simple. If I am saying, I want to go for shopping, you can say, I want to go for a walk. I want to go for dinner. I want to go for a party. Right? I want to go out. I want to play some sports. I want to watch television. You can come up with as many sentences as you can. You can just change the structure of the sentence as well. Right? That is why while you are reading something or when you are listening to something, you have to focus. And if you focus on that, you will learn a lot from that and you will be able to reproduce it. I mean to say, you will be able to speak about it, recall it and speak what you have heard or what you have just read. Okay, and that is going to help you a lot in coming up with new sentences. You will get to learn new sentence structure or sentence construction. You will be able to know what words is used in what context, how to describe that situation, what is said in that story or book or whatever. Right? If you are reading a newspaper, also you will get to know how things are described. Right? If you're listening to something, if you focus on it, you will get to know the pronunciation, you'll get to know of course, the sentence structure and how the whole story is told to you, what the person is trying to convey to you and how it is trying to convey. Right? You can just listen to it, read it, and then you can just try to recall what you have read, what you have heard. This is the best practice, guys. It is really going to help you in learning to speak English fluently and confidently in no time. These are actual practice sessions, guys. You don't have to take up topics and start speaking on it. Okay, so do this and you will definitely succeed. So guys, I think these were the 3 things which I wanted to point out and I wanted to tell you why you are stuck somewhere or why you're not able to achieve your goals or you are not be able to successful in life just because your English is not good or not great or not up to the mark. There is something wrong somewhere. Figure out what that is. What is the reason why you are stuck and you're not able to achieve your goals? Work on it and definitely you are going to be successful in life. And English will not be a constraint at that time. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.